Hi everybody. The second video of this module explains empowering young children as a pedagogy of ECE curriculum. At the end of this module, you would be able to define empowering, comprehend the process of empowering, identify the strategies to carry out empowering as a pedagogy in the ECE curriculum. Empowering is defined as a technique that guides and helps children to gain a sense of inner confidence and courage by making them believe that they are powerful. The method of empowering facilitates young children to develop stable personal learning dispositions using gaining confidence and identity, developing self-image, encouraging courage and independence, cultivating resilience, improving special talents and interest, enriching creativity, and augmenting personal responsibility. The primary objective of using empowering as a pedagogy in the early childhood education curriculum are to make the child feel good about himself, build the innate capacity of the child, cultivate the climate of positive relationship with others, solve day-to-day problems, inculcate appreciation and respect for the whole environment, make the children learn to be independent by standing up for himself. And now, let us look into the strategies to empower. Some 5 strategies is going to be dealt to you for today. The first is allow the child to choose. Second, encourage the children to reflect. Third is let the children act as teachers. Then the fourth is assist the children in self-assessment. And fifth is to inspire children to voice out. Now let us see each of these strategies in detail. Allowing children to choose their daily goals, materials and resources, and providing liberty to select their playmate, place of work and the path of accomplishing the goal is in a way called empowering. And the second empowerment strategy is to encourage children to reflect. Active learning is measurable only when the child can reflect upon his or her learning. So, as a facilitator, set aside a particular time for the children to reflect upon their knowledge and connect it to reality. By providing opportunities to reflect the thought process, a child gets empowered and at the same time could make sense of their learning experiences. A reflection is a powerful tool for retention of knowledge or skill learned by a child. So, make it a part of the daily routine without pushing it wayside even when you run out of time. The third strategy is allowing the children to act as teachers. The learning potential of the child gets widened when the child teaches or demonstrates his understanding to others. So, a facilitator should provide ample opportunities for the children to articulate their knowledge, to help others or guide others in understanding a concept, to demonstrate the learned skill, to assist other children in demonstrating the skill. When the children are allowed to be the teachers who can display and share knowledge, skills and practice, they feel empowered and their learning platform gets enlarged with a higher learning potential. Fourth strategy is, as an educator, assist them in their own self-assessment. As an empowerment strategy, choice of goals, materials and resources are all of the child's decision. But an educator needs to closely supervise the child and provide ways to assess himself or herself with specific criteria depending on the goals set. As a facilitator or an educator, how can you facilitate self-assessment in them? Yeah, there are certain ways. Provide opportunities for peer conversation, so that the child can understand what his friends know about the concept and how much he differs in his understanding with them. And also provide a chance for the child to offer feedback to others and at the same time receive feedback to strengthen his learning potential. By proper and effective self-assessment, a child can clearly understand his strengths and challenges, and knowing one's potential is nothing but empowerment. The fifth strategy is to, as an educator, inspire children to voice out. The children should be given enough chances to voice out their opinion and feelings. The voice of the child is the most valuable voice in the ECE learning environment. Hence, create opportunities for the child to interact and voice out on a regular basis regarding daily routine, family, roles, responsibilities, activities in the classroom, friends, teachers, etc. While the child voice out, take a note of all the feedback and try to incorporate in the curriculum design and the pedagogical strategy so that their demands and needs are met. These 5 essential strategies of empowering children in the ECE setting can be effectively incorporated within the pedagogy, as it is just built on interactions, discussions and conversations. Hence, this pedagogy can be used to provide a robust learning environment for the children by engaging and supporting them in every aspect. The pedagogy of empowering can further be empowered by using simple tactics within the 5 major strategies as shown to you. Practice positive reinforcement, facilitate creative expression, provide more discussion time, offer interesting prompts, recognize those who voice out, make activities personally relevant, let children disagree with the educator, give them a second chance, encourage feedback, and be a good listener as an educator. Hence, empowering as a pedagogy would give you better results in accomplishing the curriculum goal as the child becomes self-confident and competent. Thank you till we meet you in the next video.